Well, this is what it looked like this afternoon at Camp Hope in Spokane. Tonight, the new homeless shelter on Trent Avenue is officially open. The facility opened early this morning with 75 beds available on a first-come, first-served basis. The Trent Resource Center was created in response to the growing homeless community.
To make it more accessible, the shelter is adding a shuttle to transport people to and from Camp Hope. Jordan Smith visited the shelter earlier today and spoke with residents from that camp. And Jordan, have any people from Camp Hope made the switch to the Trent Shelter?
Well, so far as of news time, it's in the ballpark of anywhere between 15 to 20 members of Camp Hope that have made the transition over to the new Trent Shelter here in Spokane. And the people running this facility are excited to offer anyone experiencing homelessness the opportunity to receive resources such as substance abuse treatment, mental health resources, and job training. They tell me they're making it easy for anyone who's seeking help to receive it. On Tuesday night, 75 new beds will be available to those without homes, now that the Trent Shelter has officially opened.
We're really excited that we've got this opportunity. We know there's a great need in our community for more beds for homeless.
Brad Baker is the director of the new Resource Assistance Center. The shelter is capable of filling 150 beds, but for their soft launch, they're starting with 75 and opening 10 more spots per day.
We think we're going to provide one step in the future plan to help us with this homelessness situation we have in Spokane.
Part of that plan is ease of access to the shelter. They've implemented a shuttle bus to transport residents of Camp Hope to and from the shelter.
For this current shelter, what I've read about it, it's a very good opportunity. So that's why, I'm hoping to benefit from it as well.
Kaylee Ishe Palowitz, or Lee as he's better known, has been homeless for the better part of 4 years. He was one of the few Camp Hope residents to board the shuttle.
Well, for me, it's just important because, I can't tell you what I would do to be able to get the opportunity to have a career. Not that, if that is possible, that's why I want to get there first.
I asked him why he thought more residents didn't join him.
I get it, while some people may not want to just because they're used to what they do, which is understandable, in some cases.
Others said off camera they didn't feel comfortable going to the shelter at that point. Many of them citing bad experiences at the other shelters they previously stayed with.
To benefit myself, to be able to just live an actual life and actually have a house would be, I'm sure my mother's dream of, her son becoming something that does have that. So it's kind of just the way I'd put it, really. So if there's a chance, and this is the chance, I'm definitely here.
And this facility tells me people from the Cannon Shelter, along with other people facing homelessness, have made their way over to the Trent Shelter tonight. In the latest estimate, the homeless population in Spokane County has grown to nearly 1,800. This facility will serve as a temporary solution to those looking to get back on their feet. Reporting in Spokane tonight, I'm Jordan Smith, 4 News Now.